Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm excited to be showing you some features and tricks that you're not using on your phone. In this video, they're going to be very simple, but probably you never heard about them. So stay tuned till the end, but don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Let's try to get this video to 200 likes. It's going to cause the algorithm to push the video forward and encourage me to keep producing videos like this for you. Also, feel free to drop in the comment section anything you want me to do a video on. Previously, I said something about the CSC of the phone. For some people, depending on the regions you are in, some features might not be working on your phone. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video like that for you, and I'll gladly do that. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in. So the first thing, very simple, that we trivialize on our phone is the double tap feature to turn your screen on and your screen off. That is on your phone that you're not using. Now, if I double tap on my screen has gone off. That means that when I'm holding my phone, I don't need to reach to the top to press the power button to turn the screen off. Double tap on the screen and the screen is awake again. If you don't have this feature turned on, let me show you how to turn it on. I'll lock my phone. I'm going to go down here into settings, and once I'm in settings, I'm going to scroll down till I get to advanced features. Once I'm in advanced features, I'm going to come here into motions and gestures. Then I'm going to tap on it, and then here are most of those things that you're not using. You're going to toggle this very one on. That is double tap to turn screen on, and then double tap to turn screen off. Once you've turned these ones on, double tap on the screen is going to come on. Double tap on the screen is going to go off. While at that, let's look at other ones that are here. We can see alert when phone picks up. Yes, so with this, when you have a missed call, as soon as you pick the phone, it's going to vibrate to tell you that you have a missed call or something. It's a quite important feature. Now, also here, you can see mute gesture. That means that if you have a phone call or an alarm, and you turn the phone upside down, the sensors in front are going to pick up that movement and immediately put the phone on mute, which I think is a fantastic feature. Like other people say that we swipe our hands on the screen that way and then we take screenshots, and for you alone it doesn't work. This is where you toggle that thing on. All right, so if you didn't know these ones, I'm glad you know. But let's look at one last thing, which is up here. That's lift to wake up. Currently, if my screen is off and then I pick up my phone, nothing is going to happen. My screen is still off. But if we toggle that feature on, if we toggle this feature on and my screen is off, immediately I pick up my phone is going to come on. All right, so without touching anything, my screen is going to come on. So it's another feature you can turn on. So if you didn't know all these, or you didn't know where all these were, I'm glad I was able to help you locate those. Thank you all. Moving on. Now the next feature for me is quite important, because there was a time when I used to always hop on my phone and I can't stop looking at my phone, because the phone is designed in a way that it keeps you glued to it. Everything you see on your phone is colorful and draws you in. When you go to social media, it keeps drawing you in over and over again. All these are because of the colors. Now, a remedy for that situation when it came to me is what I'm here to share with you. And to do that, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go into settings and then come down into accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're going to go to vision enhancement. And in vision enhancement, you're going to come down till you come to color correction. Now, it's not the purpose, but for me, this helped. Now, with this one, I toggle this on, which is the color correction shortcut. First and foremost, I'm going to turn that on so that I'm able to use a certain shortcut to perform the action. And for this example, I'm just going to use the side button and the volume up button, okay? Then here, I'm going to select what I want to do. And what I used to do is select the grayscale. Now, why the grayscale? I'm going to show you quickly what's going to happen when I toggle it on. Volume up and the side button. Once I press them like this, it's going to gray out. So everything is grayed now. So if I come into my phone like this, there aren't popping colors that would draw me in. If I went into Instagram, everything seems okay, but the colors are not popping the way that they're going to draw me in, so that I keep scrolling and going through every single video. If I went into TikTok, colors are not really popping to make me feel like I need to keep staying there and then scrolling over and over again. So this was a feature that helped me. If it's going to help you, if you think that you need it, please try it. Moving on. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is an extra dim effect. For me, sometimes when at home in bed, I'm trying to reduce the lights on my screen almost completely. you can lower it and still see a lot of light. So there is a feature on your phone that allows you to go extra dim, and I'm going to be showing you how to turn that on. If that is turned on and you come here, you're going to find an extra dim toggle inside here, which is extra dim right here. So let me show you how to turn that on. What you're going to do is come down here and go into settings, scroll all the way down till you get to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're going to come to vision enhancement and scroll down till you see extra dim. Now this extra dim, you can toggle it on here, and as you can see, my screen went very dark. So imagine if I had my screen all the way down and I toggled again that extra dark, it's going to go completely black. And if that works for you, you should use it. All right, and that's how I can bring the screen back up. So I can scroll down and then keep the brightness up there. So if this would be helpful for you, or if you're gonna need this, please try it. Let me know. Moving on. So you go into your WhatsApp and everything almost looks the same. There is a feature sitting on your WhatsApp which does not require you to go use an application like WhatsApp Plus, which is definitely gonna get your WhatsApp banned one day, but you want your WhatsApp to look different. Well, all you need to do is come into a particular WhatsApp page and then tap on the three dots up there and select chat theme. Then once you're in here, you can select different themes that you want. So you can select that, it will look like this. You can select this, it will look like this. You can select that, it will look like this. You can increase the brightness or reduce the brightness of the wallpaper there. Change the color of this or the color of that. You can change all of them here. With the changing of these colors, everything is going to be changing according to. If it's okay for you, you're going to hit that. If you want another variant, you can just scroll like this and go through all the ones that they have. Once you're okay, you can quickly select the one you want and apply it. That way, your WhatsApp for each contact would also look different. Now, this is not a Samsung feature, but I felt like I should let you know because it's an exciting feature. Moving on. All right. So in your Samsung phone, there are several benefits that you're not enjoying by just virtue of you having your Samsung phone. Now I'm going to show you how to benefit from here, and they are in the form of vouchers. Okay, so vouchers, you're going to come here into your Samsung application and select members. Select your members and you're in here. Once you're in here, you can see here there is benefits. Whichever country you're in, you can go inside here and see several benefits in the form of vouchers that you can use. For example, these are Samsung types. They're going to want you to buy something. But look at this one, for instance. You can get Amazon Prime 3 months membership for you, free. So you can just tap on this and take the voucher. You can view the voucher, this voucher, and it's going to tell you exactly how to redeem it right there. And it works. I've tried it, it works. Also, you could even still be in here, you can come for food, in this case entertainer, even for resort ones. Okay, here you get up to 50% off buffet, brunch, beach club and spa in a whole place. So guys, there are several benefits that are sitting here. You can get free Kareem Plus for 60 days. Here you can get, for 3 days, you can get VIP membership here inside an actual movie application. You can come here for Prep Healthy Meal Company. You can get some 2 weeks free meals with them. Several. Here you can get exclusive offers, 3 months free using this very application. 26% off. Okay, so there's several that you want to just go inside, the ones that you want, touch on them, check the benefits that you get. The ones that are vouchers, you can pull all your vouchers here and use them as and when you need them. So these are some benefits that are sitting there that you're not using. I'm just going to go further to talk about Samsung reward points. Now, reward points are very important. I made a video about it. You can check it in the top right corner, where you get points just by virtue of you spending with your own card, debit card or credit card, but just having them on your Samsung wallet and paying with that option, and then you get reward points. And your reward points can accumulate, as you can see here. These are reward points to the extent that you can use them to buy things from the Samsung store. And if you check my video up there, you would actually see how I made a purchase and some things that I purchased with my reward points. So thank you all for watching. I hope today's video was informative enough and you learned a thing or two from it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. If you knew all these things, I'm glad you did. But let me know in the comment section if there's something else you want me to tackle, or if there's something you didn't understand. I'm willing to answer all questions. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.